Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info. In front of me Canon TS9550, and now I'm gonna show you how to extend copy amount on this device. Extending copy amount help you to adjust the default amount of image that extends beyond the edges of the paper. So it helps ensure that the copy's image covers the entire page without wide margins. So to use it, you can use it to control how much of the copied image extends beyond the paper edges. So open device settings, open print settings, click extended copy amount, and you can use large or small. That's it. Thanks for watching, like this video and bye, see you!